Joel from BZB TV here at InfoComm 2018 Las Vegas, checking out all the buzzworthy products that they have going on at the show this year. Now we're mixing it up with our friends at Ashley. Right behind me, we're about to go in, take a closer look at their new digital mixer, the digiMix18.
Hi, I'm Bob Tamburri with Ashley Audio. We're here at InfoComm 2018. Welcome to our new booth. And this year we're introducing our digiMix18. So the digiMix18 comes fully equipped with rack kit, and it'll fit in a 19-inch rack, giving you all the power and capability of the digiMix24. It's 16 high-quality microamps. We've got a stereo line-in. We've got the 7-inch touchscreen, which gives you access to all the DSP, and of course the full complement of DSP on every single channel, in and out. Things like compression, EQ, and so on are all included. Same basic feature set as the digiMix24. We've also got the 100mm moving fader, so as you select your channel, your fader position becomes, completely instantaneous. It shows up there. We also have the easy mode, which is really an important thing, especially if you're using this in places like school applications or small house of worship, where you may get a user who is not a very advanced user. Easy mode puts just the simplest controls at their fingertips and locks out everything else on the board, so they can't get into trouble. It makes it a much less intimidating product to work with. The other nice thing is we've kept the option slot on the back of the digiMix18. That means you can add a Dante or USB 32 digital option card. That makes it compatible with all the other Dante products out there, including all of our Ashley amplifiers and processors. Or you can actually connect this to a digital DAW. So if you want to record sessions, live sessions to a digital DAW, or playback virtual tracks, that's made possible with either of those two digital option cards. The one nice feature we've added to that with the digiMix18 is digital insertion points. What that allows you to do is use all your plug-in processing and DAW processing on the channels on the digiMix18. That means you have a really powerful feature set for controlling sound on your tracks that you wouldn't ordinarily have on the mixer itself. You can now import all that in via the digital card, and that really gives you a really powerful DSP set on here. We still have your 6 DCAs, which means you can group channels together and use them on a single fader. If you want to group drum mics together or keyboards or vocal channels, those can come up on DCAs. We've also got the 8 auxiliary sends, same as on the digiMix24, that can be used for monitor sends, effect sends, or as subs to a recorder or a main PA. So the crossfade function is now fully visible on the front panel, and that means you can assign channels to it and crossfade between them. So that could actually be a selection of speakers on a DS, or even used for perhaps some DJ application. That's a feature we've incorporated into this. And it also has a full auto mixer, gain sharing style auto mixer on board, which is going to be great for live performances or conferencing applications, or any place where you don't necessarily want to be messing with fader levels throughout the performance. That kind of takes care of that task automatically. The real big news on the digiMix18 is the price point. We went after a really aggressive price target on this. This product maps at $899, so it's a really unique value in the marketplace. We think you'll like it. Come by the Ashley booth, check it out, and thanks for joining us here at InfoComm.